Germany, the economic engine of Europe, praised for its precision engineering, powerful exports, and fiscal discipline. But beneath this polished surface, something is breaking down. Skyrocketing energy costs, political gridlock, a manufacturing sector on life support, and the fear that the very foundation of Europe's economy is starting to crack. So what happened to Germany? And why is no one talking about it? Let's uncover the dark side of Germany's economy and why it matters for the entire world. The myth of the economic miracle. After World War II, Germany rebuilt itself into a global economic giant. Its economic miracle, or Wirtschaftswunder, stunned the world. Fueled by a strong industrial base, Germany became the go-to supplier of cars, machinery, and chemicals. German engineering meant something, it still does. But that reputation is now struggling to hold up because the reality on the ground is changing fast. Energy crisis and deindustrialization. When Russia invaded Ukraine in 2022, Germany made a bold move. It cut off Russian gas. Morally strong, economically risky. Germany's heavy industries were built on cheap, reliable energy. Now, energy prices have surged to some of the highest in Europe. Steel plants have paused production. Chemical giants like BASF are downsizing. Car manufacturers are shifting operations overseas. This isn't just a rough patch, this is deindustrialization in real time. Inflation, debt, and a stalled economy. Even with its strong export culture, Germany isn't immune to inflation. Grocery prices have soared, rent is climbing, and for the first time in decades, the middle class is feeling squeezed. Germany's cautious spending and balanced budgets used to be its pride. But now, critics say that approach has left the country slow, rigid, and unable to adapt. Behind the scenes, Germany has taken on billions in new spending to patch energy bills, subsidize industries, and prop up allies in the EU. Is the frugal powerhouse slowly drowning in silent debt, political paralysis, and social unrest? Germany's coalition government is fractured, split between Greens, Social Democrats, and Free Democrats. And with so many different ideologies, bold decisions are rare. Meanwhile, tensions are rising. The far-right Alternative for Germany, AfD, is gaining ground. Protests are erupting over cost of living, immigration, and EU policies. The once stable Germany now feels politically fragile and socially restless. If Germany falls, Europe follows. Germany isn't just any country. It's the economic backbone of the European Union. If Germany slows down, the Eurozone slows down. Countries like Poland, Hungary, and even France depend on German investment and trade. But Germany is tired of bailing out failing economies, tired of energy shocks, tired of pretending everything is fine. And that fatigue could lead to serious consequences across the entire continent. Germany still looks strong on the outside, but internally, it's in the middle of an identity crisis, torn between being Europe's caretaker and protecting its own future. If the powerhouse of Europe stumbles, who will catch the fall? Let us know what you think. Is Germany heading for a slow economic collapse, or will it rise again like it always has? Leave your thoughts below. And if you want to see more deep dives into the world's biggest economies and their hidden truths, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Thanks for watching, and until next time.